The first one that I want to share with you is Trello. This really helps me organize course content visually and in a way that is enjoyable and easy to switch around, as opposed to a spreadsheet, which takes copying, pasting to move things around. If I just make a list of my key ideas and then I want to switch something, all I have to do is drag and drop. I input cards in each one of these lists and I can change the order so easily, add a new link, enter a title for it, pop in the link, and it automatically populates with a little preview of it, which is visually so appealing. I have a fun stuff column as well where I add cute things that I want to share with the class, such as a colleague on LinkedIn who put a Snowshell Media sweater on, and I was like, I have got to share that. Tasks that I need to do before the semester starts, assignments, lessons, anything on here. But Trello is really great for organization. The free version is limited, so just something for you to be aware of. But if you don't have too many boards that you need to make, then you should be able to use it, no problem.